Okay, this is going to be part three. Please add it to the end of part two on technology transitions. Here goes. You also learned in this chapter that implementing new technology has certain requirements of the original equipment manufacturer or the manufacturer of the technology that's being implemented. According to Dorothy Leonard Barton of the Harvard Business School, and William Krauss of the General Electric Corporation, there is a natural resistance to technological change. This stems from a gap between the value of the technology and the ability to put it to work effectively. Leonard Barton and Krauss list 6 requirements for implementing new technology successfully. First, there's a dual role. Because the user of new technology is not always ready to use it, the developer or manufacturer of the technology must implement it at the plant where it is being installed and must be able to show that the technology will be successful. Then there's a marketing perspective. An intelligent approach for marketing and implementing any new technology is to involve users in it. Involve them in the design phase, or at least in planning the process of implementation. Then there's a framework for information. Ideally, one person should coordinate the work of gathering all of the information needed for the implementation of the new technology. That person should observe current job routines and workflows and identify bottlenecks that need to be eliminated by using the new technology. Then there is multiple internal markets. The higher the organizational level at which managers define a problem or a need, the greater the probability of successful implementation of the new technology. When top management shows genuine concern that a new technology must solve certain defined problems and that the technology must be made available within a defined but reasonable cost range, developers will focus on meeting these production and bottom line needs. Then there is promotion versus hype. Overselling a system can be dangerous to successful implementation and profitability. There's a gap between the perception of what a technology promised to do and the reality of what it can actually do, and that gap must be closed. People develop negative attitudes toward technologies that do not meet their original expectations.